So welcome back, guys. I promised us one thing, that I'm going to teach us something. When you want to come into crypto but you don't have money, to come into crypto but you want to come into crypto, there's one thing that you need to do. It is called free crypto mining. All these new projects that are coming out in crypto, you can take advantage of them. Now let me show us something, guys. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please don't fail to subscribe. Okay, we have a lot of educative content here. Now guys, you see this coin core. This coin is called core. When it came out new, people mined it. They mined it for free. Okay, they mined it for free. Now we have a WhatsApp group where I always bring in all these new projects. I bring them in from time to time. Some of them, the legit ones, the ones that when you are doing it, you're not wasting your time, the ones that will end up paying you, I always bring them to that group. Join the group. The link will be in the description box, so you can be seeing these projects. Okay, so when this project launched, people mined it for free. I personally, I mined for free. I ended up mining over 270 pieces of this coin. When this coin launched, guys, I was seeing $400 in my wallet. That was a free money, total free of charge. My only job was to mine the token. Now this particular token is still they are done mining. We are done mining it. The mining has finished. We have done the withdrawal, everything. People that want to sell have sold. I have sold some part of mine. I have taken part of it. I have used the money to do some other things. So you can also register on this core platform and be getting the free airdrop. You see this free airdrop. Okay, core will start. They will soon start airdropping the real ones. So you can log into the app and start mining this particular free airdrop. I've done a video on how to mine these airdrops. The link will be in the description box, or you can go through my channel. You will see the video there. Watch it and know how to set up all these things. I've done the video comprehensively. Okay, so when you come into crypto and you don't have money, start with free crypto mining. Just be patient and mine the coin. Now I've used this one as an example. It gave me money. Let me show us another one. Now the second one was this Remitano, guys. When Remitano is an exchange, you can register it. I will drop the link in the description box below. Sorry guys, so I will drop the link in the description box below. Take it up and register. So this is Remitano. Look at the price of one Renek as of today. This is Naira. We are using Naira. This is 773 Naira. Now I was able to mine Remitano when Remitano came out newly. Now when they launched Remitano, the day they launched Remitano, I was seeing over 600,000 Naira in my wallet balance. Free money. Free. Now as you can see now, although they locked up part of the coin, they locked it up right here, but they are unlocking it from time to time. They have unlocked total of 7 pieces for me. Although I have sold few pieces of this coin, I've already sold some, and I allow these ones to be unlocked for me as well. If I want to sell, I will still sell. Okay, if you multiply this 7.7 by 700 naira, you know how much I have. It's a free money. I can withdraw it at any time. Okay, you can come into crypto mining these projects for free. Let me show us another one. Now guys, this is Bondex. Bondex is currently being mined. I will still drop the link for you in the description box. Bondex is currently being mined. Okay, so you can start mining Bondex now for free. Guys. Now they said in their project description, they say that when this token is launched, only 20% of it will be unlocked for everyone. Now imagine that now that I've mined 1,900, imagine that I have 2,000. 20% of 2,000 is around 400. That means 400 pieces of this token will be unlocked to me, and I am very sure that this token might get up to $1 at launch. So that is automatically a free $400 for me, free of charge. I didn't spend any money. The only thing I need to do is to log into this place every day, tap on start mining. Once I tap on start mining, I will close my app. Whether I am online or not, it will keep on mining. After 24 hours, I will come back and continue mining. That is it, guys. So you can take advantage of this and start mining it now. Let me show us another one. So this one is Avive. Now this is Avive, guys. This Avive is also being mined for free, and they are doing exactly the same thing that Core did. Okay, it is being mined for free, and I know that they will do well just like Core. They have a different mechanism. In fact, I don't want to go into detailed explanation of this particular project for now, but I will put the link in the description box. All these projects, start mining them. Okay, there are other ones, but these are the most genuine ones. I think there are other two that I have not mentioned, but you can get into crypto mining these projects for free, guys. So this is how you can get into crypto if you don't have money for now. So start mining the projects. When the projects launch, once they launch, you can sell your coin and then use the money to start doing other things in crypto. Okay, so join the WhatsApp group. I drop these informations, you get them there, you ask your questions, it will be answered. Okay, so I don't want to talk too much again for now, guys. If you have any question, join the WhatsApp group and ask your questions. I'll be there to answer you. Okay, so for now, thank you. And although, sorry guys, there are other ways as well that you can come into crypto without money, but this is the easiest part. Okay, but for now, let me stop it here. I will do another video to show us other things. So thank you guys and have a wonderful day.